my footwear technology in '99 and worked with some MNCs in India, Singapore, Thailand, and then in China. And in Xiamen, in China, we started our company in 2011. And last year we started our own brand, Ever, which is available in across the globe, you can say, but yet to come to India.
11 years back, when we started our Evertrade company in China, we started on very low scale, with very low funds. We opened a small factory there. It was automated, and slowly we started making it bigger with our global experience. When we first arrived in China, we were very surprised to see that there is no such thing as women empowerment there, because women are already empowered there. Whenever we we put out any application for employee, you will be surprised to know that more than 80% there were always female applicant. And they were so courageous, they were so skilled that whether it be design field, corporate field, bankers, or even in shops, mall, everywhere, you will see women are handling everything and they are leading the country.
My job to get communicated with customer, handle the business with them, bring orders, designs. But Smita is the person who is handling the execution part. Running a factory is definitely not an easy job, but she is doing perfectly well for last so many years. And it's not only one job she is doing, she is also having responsibility of family, and she has done a remarkable job to raising 2 kids in China with Indian traditional flair, and I could see it's a really fantastic job what she is doing.
After having such nice and great experience in China, we were very satisfied and established there. We never thought that we are going to establish any manufacturing facility in India as well. But our meeting with our Mr. Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, in 2017 BRICS Summit, it was a great opportunity to meet him, and we still feel very warm about that meeting. And he encouraged us, why don't you put any manufacturing facility in India as well? And at that moment, me and my husband both were like, yeah, we should do something for our country, let's go there.
After meeting with our Prime Minister, there was a big role of Invest India in our venture. They helped us a lot. And then subsequently, Invest Odisha was great supportive and visited to our factory in China in 2019, and by 2020 we have been already signed MOU, land has been allotted to us. Due to COVID it got a little delay, but we expect this manufacturing to be start within this year, and all the hirings and everything has been taking place at this moment now. We are in words with Government of Odisha and their Technical Director of World Skill Center, G. Raghu. He has been very much supportive for last 1 year, and with his help we are able to see that we can get the women in our company as per our requirement, and we can see they are equally supportive and dedicated for women empowerment as we are.
When we arrived in India, we wanted to have the same kind of facility we had in China, more than 80% of female employee. But somehow we felt that it's not so easy to implement the same kind of facility here. And the reason I would say that women themselves are not aware of that power, and I don't blame actually, because cultural and social structure of India is such that women don't even talk about their freedom, their equality, or their economic freedom. Dependency on their family is what they seek for. So I believe that they should come out of their house, come out of their shell. They should know that they can do wonders. So we also want to have them, because we know they can do wonder for our company as well, for our factory as well. So come out, ladies.